Hello there, CS2 players, enthusiasts, and wizards of the game. Welcome back to our channel. And for today's CS2 tutorial series, we're going to learn how to equip one of the most iconic pistols in the game, the USP-s. Whether you are a beginner or an unexperienced player, knowing how to choose your weapons is essential, right? But before we jump into the action, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures and keeps you on the loop for future content. And to our returning viewers, welcome back, and we appreciate your ongoing support and could not wait to embark on another CS2 journey with all of you on board. Now let's get right into it. Okay, equipping the USP-s pistols in Counter-Strike 2 offers several advantages to players, and the reason is that it is a popular choice in various in-game situations. Like, for example, the USP-s comes with a silencer, which means your shots are quieter than those of the other pistols. This stealthy feature allows players to take down opponents without giving away their position, right? Making it ideal for sneaky players and flanking. The USP-s is renowned for its accuracy even when moving, and it makes a reliable choice for precision shooting, especially for landing headshots at medium to long distances. The USP-s has low recoil, allowing players to maintain better control over their shots during rapid fire, and particularly beneficial for those who can control their bursts effectively. The USP-s has a limited magazine size, which encourages players to focus on accurate shots rather than spraying bullets, and it can help conserve ammunition and make every shot count. The USP-s is also often the default starting pistol for a counter-terrorist in CS2, so that means players don't need to spend money to purchase it, freeing up resources for other purchases like armor and grenades. It's a practical economic choice, right? And while primarily a sidearm, the USP-s can be used effectively in various in-game scenarios, like it's suitable for echo rounds when players have limited resources, and it can also serve as a backup weapon for situations where the primary weapon runs out of ammunition. Like other pistols in CS2, the USP-s can be deadly when aiming for headshots. It's even capable of taking down opponents with a single shot, even against armored opponents, right? So the combination of the silencer and accuracy makes the USP-s a great choice for sneaking up on opponents and catching them off guard. Its quiet shots can create confusion and panic among enemies. Now, during echo rounds when a team has limited funds, the USP-s is a valuable choice, and it's a default weapon that doesn't not require spending money, right? And players can save their funds for future rounds or more expensive weapons. Now, when we go to load out here, go to all items and then we hover down to pistols, starting pistols, and there you have it. You can see the USP-s. Just put it down here. And always remember, equipping the USP-s in CS2 provides players with stealthy, accurate, and economical option for sidearm engagements, and its unique advantages makes it a popular choice for many players, especially those who value accuracy, right, and precision in their gameplay. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and we will see you in the next video. And if you have other topics you would like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.